What if the Honda Accord just transformed from a smart family sedan into something that looks ready for the future? This might be the boldest Accord redesign we've ever seen. And there's one detail at the back that completely changes the game. But look at this front end. This is no longer just safe. This is confident. The slim LED light bar stretches cleanly across the grille, creating a sharp, modern face. The Honda badge sits proudly in the center, framed by horizontal lines that make the car appear wider and more planted. The hood has subtle sculpting that catches the light just right, giving it a premium, almost European presence. This isn't just an update, it feels like a reset. From the side profile, the 2027 Accord looks lower and sleeker than before. The proportions are balanced and refined. The shoulder line runs cleanly from front to rear, giving it a streamlined silhouette. The wheels are large and sporty, filling the arches confidently. Even standing still, the car looks composed and athletic. Now move to the rear. And this is where things get interesting. A full-width LED taillight stretches across the back, glowing in a sharp red line. It gives the Accord a high-tech identity, especially at night. The Accord lettering is spaced cleanly across the trunk, adding a premium touch. And look lower. Dual exhaust outlets integrated neatly into the bumper. It subtly hints that this sedan may have more personality than you expect. Step inside and the transformation continues. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, emphasizing width and space. A fully digital instrument display blends seamlessly with a large central infotainment screen. Navigation, climate, music, everything is displayed clearly and modernly. The steering wheel design is simple, yet upscale. The beige leather interior paired with wood trim adds warmth and sophistication. It feels more like a luxury sedan than a typical midsize commuter. Even the panoramic roof adds openness, making the cabin feel bright and airy. The biggest advantage? Balance. The 2027 Accord manages to look futuristic without losing its familiar comfort. But here's the question. Has Honda gone too modern? Some longtime Accord fans may prefer the conservative, understated design of older generations. This new look is sharper, more expressive, almost daring. And with such a high-tech interior, expectations will rise. Buyers will expect smoother software, faster screens, and next-level driver assistance. The design now competes visually with brands that once felt more premium. That's both exciting and risky. Here's why it works. Honda didn't abandon what made the Accord great. It simply elevated it. The design is stronger. The rear lighting is more distinctive. The cabin feels more upscale. Yet the layout remains practical and intuitive. The 2027 Honda Accord feels like a sedan that finally embraces the modern era, without forgetting who it is. It's not trying to be flashy for attention. It's evolving with confidence. And that rear light bar? That might be the signature detail that defines this generation. If you're excited about where the Accord is heading, hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews of upcoming 2026 and 2027 models. And share this video with someone who still thinks sedans are boring, because this one clearly isn't. The 2027 Honda Accord isn't just another update. It's a statement. A smarter, sharper, more premium vision of what a midsize sedan can be. And if this is the direction Honda is taking, the future of everyday driving just got a lot more interesting.